Welcome to our weekly series on Thirukkural. Thirukkural is an ancient Tamil work of literature written by the poet Thiruvalluvar. This masterpiece of Indian philosophical and ethical literature contains 1330 couplets divided into 133 chapters, covering a wide range of topics from ethics and morality to governance and spirituality. In this series, we will be exploring Thirukkural in English, providing a verse-by-verse explanation of its timeless wisdom and values. Our goal is to make this work accessible and relevant to a wider audience, helping to spread its universal message of love, compassion, and morality. Join us each week as we dive into the beautiful and inspiring world of Thirukkural and discover the wisdom and insights that have made it one of the greatest works of literature of all time. Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope that you found this chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Thirukkural is a timeless work of literature that continues to offer valuable lessons and wisdom to people of all ages and backgrounds. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback about this week's chapter, please leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may the wisdom and values of Thirukkural guide you on your journey towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life.